On today's episode of Twan's Garage, we will be doing a rear T-top headliner reconstruction. Old one was tattered, so it looks like we're gonna have to go in and do a little bit of surgery, redo that whole thing. Got a car show coming up. We can't have it like that, so we will see what we got going on. Of course, I got to do the detailing of the motor, which is not gonna be a quick job. It's not gonna be easy. Fits without the
Alexander Chess Music.
And we are about to install and spray the carpet and make it fit the way it's supposed to. OEM fit. Can't have all old cars gotta be restored one way or another. Let's get started. We are on the 87 Grand National T-top. Rear headliner redo.
Only high quality beats.
And that is it. We just had to make sure it all lines up good. Nice and clean. Got a ripple down there, but that was unavoidable because of the bend. But I got no cleats, nice and clean. And shit, that's it. 206. Give you all a rundown later, but that's what we got for it. See you all next time.
Brother was caught in the crossfire.